G'day guys, Paul Belcher from Roberts Real Estate and welcome to my new listing, 1276 Lyell Highway in Sorell Creek. We're in a great location, 5 minutes to New Norfolk, 25 minutes to Hobart CBD, and we're set on over 660 square metres. We've got this fantastic boat ramp, multiple outbuildings, and the home is 4-bedroom, 2-storey, brick, well built, open plan living with a second dining or rumpus room. Let's go up and take a look. This property is in a great location, waterfront, we're close to all services, we've got established and beautiful gardens, self-contained unit, and we've got this large workshop, ideal for those that want to set up the business at home. If you've been looking for that perfect property, look no further. To book an inspection or for more information, please don't hesitate to call me. I'm available 7 days a week and I'm here to help.